TD Bank versus Comerica Bank. Which is better? Welcome to this detailed comparison of TD Bank and Comerica Bank. Links to both banks can be found in the description below. In this video, I'll break down their key features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide which institution aligns better with your financial needs. TD Bank is known for its focus on convenience, offering extended branch hours, including weekends, along the East Coast. Its product lineup includes checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and wealth management services. TD Bank's user-friendly mobile app and customer-centric features make it a great choice for those who value both digital and in-person banking. However, its relatively low interest rates on savings accounts and limited geographical presence beyond the East Coast may not suit everyone. Comerica Bank, headquartered in Texas, has a strong focus on wealth management and business banking, making it a preferred option for entrepreneurs and professionals. Comerica offers a wide range of financial services, including personal and business checking, savings, loans, and investment advisory services. It also provides specialized services like treasury management for businesses. While Comerica has a solid presence in regions like Texas, California, and Michigan, its branch network is not as extensive as TD Bank's on the East Coast. Moreover, its digital tools, though functional, lack some of the advanced features offered by competitors. If you prioritize extended branch hours, a seamless mobile experience, and are located on the East Coast, TD Bank is likely the better option. It's particularly suited for individuals seeking everyday banking convenience with in-person support. On the other hand, if you're a business owner or professional who values specialized financial services and wealth management, Comerica Bank could be a stronger fit. However, its services are most accessible in regions where it has a significant presence. Both banks cater to different needs, so your decision will depend on your priorities, whether it's consumer convenience with TD Bank or business and wealth management expertise with Comerica. Check the links in the description for more details.